So, Freddy, what's the craziest way you've ever cured the hiccups?
Well, Ron, have you ever tried standing on your head and singing Sweet Caroline in a helium voice?
No way, that's bonkers.
Hey, it works for me every time. What about you, Ron? Any magical remedies from the world of Hogwarts?
Well, we do have a potion that involves boiling a dragon's toenail, but I don't think Hermione would approve.
Yeah, that sounds a little too hardcore for me. I think I'll stick with the helium and headstands.